Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called ProfitLens, which is an all-in-one solution to create digital art, graphics and avatars using the power of real AI in just 3 simple clicks and start generating huge commissions daily. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 free action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $5,000 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Welcome to ProfitLens, an app that gives you access to an extremely powerful AI that can generate completely unique images for you. So let's play around with it. And as soon as I click the search button, it will start generating it, and bam. And we can see that it's completely unique. We can see it took its own style in doing it. We can see it put a little pool in the front here. And if we just want to do another one, we just click this here and we get a completely new and unique image on the same text. And we can just do it again and again, for as many times as we want, because ProfitLens gives you access to these images for an unlimited number of times. So you can create as many graphics as you want using ProfitLens AI. Let's try something different. Let's try stack of cash in football field. Try something more complex. You can see it generates exactly what we want in a unique manner, because this isn't actually a stack of cash and the entire thing looks a bit off, which is brilliant because it was drawn by a real AI. Let's try something else. Let's do fireworks. Let's see how it represents fireworks. Awesome, you can see it's a simple image here, but it's completely unique. Let's check out the Tunify version of ProfitLens, which allows you to cartoon your own photo. Let's see how that looks. So I have this picture here that I took directly from the internet, and I'm just going to click Tunify, and done. We can see it generates a cartoon character. We can download the file and then use this for our social media. Like, so many celebrities now have their own cartoon avatars, or sell it as service to other people on Fiverr, Upwork, anywhere we want. And let's see, so we grabbed this image. We can then now go into edit your image here and start editing it. So I'm just going to download it. Now head to edit your image, and I'm just going to put on this one that we have just made. And now we can filter and edit it however we want. So if we want to make it a bit more vintage, if we want to add some Polaroid effect, we can add them on top of each other. We'll just leave it with vintage. I think this gives it a nice feel. Then we can draw, we can use shapes, stickers, frames, whatever we want to make sure we have this image exactly how we want it to be. So ProfitLens gives you access to 2 brilliant real AI that can generate unique content for you in a couple of seconds, and then gives you a way to edit these photos to make sure they're to your liking and to your style. Check out ProfitLens right now, and I can't wait to see you inside.